Hi friends, today I'll show you how to cook rice in a microwave. What I have done is I have taken basmati rice 2 cups and just washed it nicely, and I'm going to put water in it and will microwave for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes you will see that we have very wonderful nice cooked rice with us. I have just put water in my rice and will keep it aside for 5 minutes, and after that I'll put it in microwave. 2 cups of rice and 4 cups of water is the proportion. If you take 1 cup of rice, then you need to put 2 cups of water. So that's the proportion. Double the size of the rice is the water you need to put. I have just put few 1 tablespoon of clarifying butter, okay. Now I am going to microwave it for 25 minutes. Do check after 10 minutes that what is the status. If you feel that it just need 10 more minutes, then it's fine. Sometimes my rice cooked very quickly, within only 15 minutes it get cooked up. Okay, here's my rice completely cooked. You can see there is no single water and the rice is looking like pearls. You can serve it with dal or any kind of sabzi you like. And I love rice. I'm an Indian and I really love rice. So this is how I make my plain rice. If you like this video, please do rate, comment and subscribe our video. We love to make videos for you people, and if you need any specific recipe, please do let us know. Till then, take care.